Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creations Designs. I am coming to you all today with a giveaway. Okay, this giveaway will go to 3 recipients. I'm going to tell you the rules. The rules in this giveaway is you have to be a subscriber to my channel and you also have to be a follower on Instagram. Okay, I want you to follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Okay, if this is something that you want to participate in, please write down in the comment section that enter me. Write in the comment section, enter me. Okay, I will be monetizing. I will be looking to see who all is following me on here, who is following me also on my Instagram uh, page as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this giveaway. Now, the first 2 items that I'm going to show you are pretty much like a mother and daughter set. It doesn't necessarily have to be a mother and daughter set, but if you are a young lady and you win this and you don't have a child and you have a niece or someone that you would want to gift it to, however you want to do it is completely up to you. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first wallet. The first wallet is made with black fax leather, and it has a beautiful magnetic closure on it. Okay. On the inside of this wallet, you get 4 pockets. These pockets you can use to put your receipts. You can use to put your credit cards in, and it's pretty deep. So when you put your credit cards in, they will go completely down. You will not be able to see your credit cards. Okay. Now, this wallet also has a zipper, which you have a nice inside pocket that you can put your change and you can also put your money in. Okay, how cute is that? Okay, so this is it for this item right here. Okay, now along with that wallet, you're going to get a kid's wallet, and this is the kid's wallet right here. And this has a magnetic closure on it as well. On the inside of this wallet, you get 2 pockets when she's out shopping with mommy, and a zipper. This also has a compartment where she can put her change and her money on the inside of her wallet. Okay, the shoe I used as a zipper pull. Okay, for her wallet. So these are the first 2 items for my first recipient. Now my second and third recipient that I am going to be gifting these to will receive one of these, and I call this an earring. Now you can use this however you would like to, but I just feel like those of you who do events, craft events, I thought that this would be perfect to have. It sits up on your table. You can put as many pairs of earrings in here as you would like. Okay, so that is this one, and this is a satin gold. Okay, now I also have it in black. So I have it in black and I have it in gold. Okay. And like I said, you can use these for pretty much anything. I just thought that this was really, really gorgeous. And I was like, you know what? I can give 2 of these away because a lot of the ladies that follow me, they make jewelry, and you can use this. And like I said, all you have to do is write down in the comments, enter me. You have to follow me on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. Okay? So with that being said, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell that is up on the side so that you can get notifications on when I will be doing more videos. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.